friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to present some ideas on DIY bed frames. A DIY bed frame built with pipes offers a unique blend of industrial aesthetics, durability and customization, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a distinctive bedroom design. By utilizing pipes and fittings typically found in plumbing systems, creative individuals can fashion a sturdy and stylish bed frame that complements a range of interior themes. One of the primary advantages of crafting a bed frame from pipes is its structural integrity. The metal pipes provide a robust foundation that can support various mattress sizes and weights. This reliability ensures a long-lasting and a stable sleeping platform, contributing to a restful night's sleep. Additionally, the modular nature of pipe fittings facilitates easy assembly and disassembly, allowing for convenient transportation and storage. Beyond this functionality, a DIY pipe bed frame introduces a trendy and industrial charm to a bedroom's ambience. The raw and minimalist aesthetic of exposed pipes imparts a modern, urban-inspired look, creating a striking focal point within the room. This design choice harmonizes with a variety of decor styles, from rustic to contemporary, enabling individuals to infuse their personal taste into their living space. Crafting a bed frame from pipes encourages creativity and customization. Enthusiasts can choose from an array of pipe materials, finishes, and colors to tailor the frame to their desired visual aesthetic. Additionally, the design possibilities are virtually limitless, with options to incorporate built-in shelving, hanging plants, or even integrated lighting fixtures into the frame structure. While a DIY bed frame built with pipes offers numerous benefits, it is essential to approach the project with careful planning and attention to detail. Ensuring accurate measurements, selecting the appropriate pipe sizes, and securely fastening the components are crucial steps to guarantee the frame's stability and safety. A DIY bed frame constructed with pipes is a captivating fusion of functionality and artistry. Its robust construction, industrial charm, and potential for personalization make it an alluring choice for those seeking a distinctive and durable bedroom centerpiece that reflects their unique style and creativity. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.